Well, got it running, and it runs pretty darn decent. Yeah, I'm real happy with it. Shifts a little rough between second and third, and the brakes pull to the right. So eventually I'll get around to pulling all the wheels off and all the drums, and I'll pack the wheel bearings, do a brake job. Maybe I don't need parts, just clean it up, who knows. I'll still need to change the oil and the oil filter, change the transmission fluid, flush the radiator, but works. Everything works except the air conditioning. I need to get the air conditioning serviced. There's no freon in it, but all the turn signals work. Well, the horn was working. It's not working now. Bad connection somewhere. But I'm real happy with it. Here's where I'm at on the Oldsmobile, Rick. I've got the eBay carburetor all apart, clean. I've got the original carburetor off the car, just waiting on the rebuild kit now. Should be here tomorrow, I hope.